Hey guys, so this is the gold building in Phnom Penh. It's just over 40 stories tall here, and it's partially, I think it's mixed usage. It's partially condos. Yeah, so you can see it's kind of in this Khmer style of having gold, on the outside of the building. And it's on this main boulevard here. And they actually started construction on this about 10 years ago. And are just almost completing it. I think it's supposed to be done in 2021. And I'll try to give you guys a closer look here. And this is kind of the intersection here. It's on Priya Suduk Boulevard, and the other one is Priya Moniving Boulevard. Sorry, I'm not very good at the Khmer language here. But this kind of gives you an idea of what this place looks like.